Then I decided to put my sword in its sheath. Well, if it isn't Saucy I need a car. I need a car wash. Armstrong, stop punching him. What do you want? This is a car wash, right, Jack? Yes, sir. So you wash cars here, right, Jack? Right again. Well, then could you please clean the Metal Gear Excelsis?
I am the Metal Gear Excelsis. I am a very dirty robot.
Dude, the thing's like 600 feet tall. I can't fit that in here. No, I'll leave you alone for a week. Sheesh, dog, come right on in. Let's go.
You know, I probably should not be working in the car wash for a living.
Sam, it's me, Armstrong.
What on earth? This day just got so much weirder.
I'm in the Metal Gear Excelsis, Sam.
Minimum wage is not good enough for this job. What do you want, Armstrong?
I need a car wash.
Alright, we have $17 for our normal one and $15 for our crappy one. How are you even supposed to fit that in here anyway?
What? $17 for a car wash, Sam?
The wash is the big payoff.
Look, I only have 15, so could I just have that?
Yep, no problem.
Thank you, Sam.
You're welcome, Armstrong. Enjoy your wash. How pleasing it is to wash automobiles.
Hey, your voice sounds different than the last one, Monster.
That's because my voice actor was different in the last one, Armstrong.
Hey, no breaking the fourth wall at work, Monsoon. You know that.
My apologies, Jack the Ripper.
Stop calling me that, dude.
My apologeticness once more, Jack.
Hey, what are y'all arguing about? A holy horseshoe on a pickle jar. What on earth is that? Armstrong came in for a car wash, Sundowner. He brought the Metal Gear Excelsis with him.
Oh, good. I thought I had schizophrenia.
Are you sure that thing's gonna be able to fit in here without blowing the whole place up, Jack? Oh, yeah, don't worry about that. I'm sure it'll be able to fit in here fine. I mean, look how flexible its legs are. Man, I hope you're right.
Something I have bad news.
What's the matter?
The Excelsis, it's falling.
Falling where?
On the car wash?
Well,